slash my dad. And as you saw on the title of the video, we are opening blind bags.
Pick these up from Home Bargains. Yeah, Home Bargains. 29p.
They've got 2 cards and 2 dices.
The X-Men Dice Masters.
Yeah. So we both got 5 each because my dad picked up 10. And he's here. If you remember him.
Yeah, and I think NECA makes them. I've got something to do with him, NECA.
Yeah.
So we've got 5 of them to unbox. And I picked these up.
One each to we have 1 each to unbox, and this is for the car.
These are Mattel. These cost £1 from Home Bargains, so I thought I'd pick them up for a car.
Yeah.
You open yours. You open yours.
So this is Sally.
Sully. You see monsters?
Yeah, I've seen it lots of times. Just can't remember names. Just can't pronounce them. Are you kidding me? This happens to me all the time.
Yeah, use your silicone knife. Got it?
That happens to me all the time, and I get so annoyed. I'm like,
yeah, I'll stick these in front of the car.
yeah, so we're just gonna be like,
Just basically little figures from
yeah,
Mattel.
I think they're cute.
Yeah. These are from Home Bargains at £1. Get a bit close.
That one needs to be on the passenger's side because I opened it.
Mad. What's your favourite? Is it Monsters Inc. or Monsters University? Which would you like?
Monsters University.
I'll say that's my favourite. What's your favourite?
Comment down below.
What's your
Which
favourite?
one's your favourite? A Monsters University or Monsters Inc? Comment down below.
Put in comments down below. Yeah, that's Mike.
It looks really dark green on camera.
Yeah.
But in real life it's not that bad. This is how the camera's making the colours look brighter than they actually are, so they're not actually this
I think this is his first video what's not Funko related for quite a bit.
Yeah.
Isn't it, Maisie?
Okay, I want to open the first one.
There's
2 cards and 2 dice.
124 cards to collect and the X-Men. So what dice have you got?
I got this dice.
I'm guessing it's some kind of game.
Yeah. I got that dice.
That's the dice. Yeah, next one.
And then I got that dice.
I'm not really bothered about dice, so I'm going for, going for cards. Going for the cards.
Okay, so
What cards have you got?
So I got Jean Grey and
Wolverine.
So these are my 2 cards.
That's the other one.
Is the back?
Yeah, I think
So
that's
I like Wolverine out of both of them.
These were supposed to be £5, but
Got them for 26 cents.
pence, not cents.
So I'm American.
She's not American. She's not American. Right. So dices I've got.
By the way, we have 5 each. I wanted that one.
Favourite colour, purple. I don't like. As I said, I don't know what dices.
What happened to my dice? Oh, this one's blue, my favourite colour.
We're going for the cards.
Cards. What did you get?
And I have got Quicksilver and the Hellfire Club in a circle. I don't know what that's supposed to be.
And guys, if you didn't know, I love...
Yeah, mine, first 2.
So guys, if you didn't know, I am obsessed with blind boxes. You know, here's a picture of one of them. One of those like mini mystery boxes. And then I also love blind bags.
Yeah,
I absolutely love them.
Right, come on, Maisie, next one.
Okay, so... Oh, I got 2 black dices.
2 black dices.
Yep. So here they are. I'm going to keep the dice.
We are going to try to do a few different things on the channel.
Yeah.
What's not Funko related.
So I got Angel Heaven Set.
Nice card, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. And Gina Grey again.
Is that a double?
Yeah.
What's
So if you get a double, we can trade.
Just first double. The cards are alright quality.
Yeah, so if you get a double what I don't have, then we can just trade them.
My second one.
Oh, you got yellow dice. We haven't got... You got 2. So that means it's a new card.
2 yellow
Because
dice.
as you saw, I got 2 of the same, and I got 2 of the same cards. So that means you got new cards. Big brain.
These are mine. Why would they put 2 same cards in the same? So what we gathered is what dice you get, it goes with a card.
Yes.
So if we get a same dice, we know we've got the same card.
Just like, you know how I got this dice, and then I got that dice, they're the same, and I got the double of Gina Grey.
I've got 2 bishops.
For some reason.
But they've got different abilities, I'm guessing.
Why are they just so stupid like that?
It's just different abilities, so it might work out. When we figure out how to play the game.
Yeah. Right, next one. Oh.
Well, won't we?
So we have 3 left.
Yes.
3 left. Because we had 5 each and then 10 altogether.
What you want?
Ooh, I got a new dice.
Different dice.
Yeah, look, I got a green one.
Green, I mean.
Got a green. And then I just got yellow.
So I'm guessing that should be a bishop.
Yes.
Am I right?
I think so, but I think they've got different pictures on. No, yeah, I got a bishop, I think.
Oh, this is nice. It's a shiny one. It's a shiny one, that.
I got a dupe.
Shiny.
I got
Sunfire.
I got a Sunfire and I got a dupe.
That's nice, isn't it?
Ooh, if I get 2 of those, I could trade you for the bishop.
My next one.
You got 2 pink
2
cards.
pink dices.
So you get a holographic one.
No. Keep getting doubles. I've got 2 Scarlet Witches.
Okay, now we've only got 2 left. So, I don't know why they do that. It's a bit annoying.
If anybody's ever played this game,
yeah, comment down below
I play it.
and tell us how.
So I'm going to be late for cards.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Open it. Okay, so, we got 2 new dices.
Yeah. A red one and like a
I think this one's Flash.
light pink. It could be Flash, yeah. Flash is not in with X-Men, you Wally.
I don't watch it. Yes, I got Jujunute and Boo Boo.
So like it, Maisie.
Jujunute.
Jujunute. It's Juggernaut.
And I got Boo Boo.
Boo Boo.
Boo Boo.
I think you'll get better cards up, innit?
Yeah. We can always trade. You haven't got Jean Grey.
What here? A green.
Ooh, we
A
haven't
dark
got
green
that green.
and a yellow.
We haven't got that green, so that means it will be different cards, hopefully. Please be metallic.
No. Sunfire. We do get some.
Yeah, but mine was metallic.
No, they're better than mine then.
No, look, different powers.
And
Magagar, and you've got Solar Flare.
And a Banshee. That's Banshee, isn't it?
Yeah, Banshee.
Banshee. That's my 2 cards.
Okay, now guys, we have 1 left. So, should we open them at the same time?
Tell me if you want.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What dice have
Ooh,
you
I
got?
got pretty nice. They're different colours. They're just.
I'm hoping they're not 2 same cards.
Oh, look at my dice.
That's a nice one.
Look how cool they are.
Yeah, so excited over dices.
Yeah, I like my dice.
Quite a few dices there. Right.
Let's hope you don't get. Let's see yours first. Ooh, you got 2 different ones.
I do watch X-Men, but I have to admit some of these characters I've never heard of. They're my last 2.
Ooh, I got the Blackbird and Centiletta.
Blackbird.
And Centiletta. That's Centiletta, and that's Blackbird. Centiletta. Centiletta.
Centile.
Oh, I thought it was Centiletta. That's cool.
We're rubbish at reading, aren't we?
Yeah, okay, Dad. So, have you got Jean Grey?
No.
I haven't got Bishop.
We sort that out later after the video, Maisie, yeah?
It's fun. We have to buy more of these.
29 pence, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Can you?
So, we
Yeah,
got...
mine.
I like mine because I got a holographic. I'm just lucky with cards in general.
If you've enjoyed this video, I know it's a bit different and we don't normally do it, let us know in the comments and we'll do more.
Okay, Dad, what's your favourite dice?
I don't know. Well, we are be doing different kind of videos leading up to Christmas because obviously I can't be buying pops. Well, not as many pops.
Yeah, because we're running out of room.
Scarlet pops.
We're running out of room.
It's not so much room, it's just like because it's leading up to Christmas.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm spending my money
So
on
we're going to buy other
different
things.
things.
Dad,
So we'll be spicing it with
I
different things.
really enjoy this video mainly because they're blind bags and you don't know what you're going to get. So
Yeah.
I truly like
And the quality of the cards are quite good, so
yeah.
you know, wrap it up.
This one's my favourite out of all
Yeah, you
mine.
got shiny. Yeah, big enough.
So guys, enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. If you know how to play this game, then please tell us, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye.